Hello everyone, this is IGNO BEGE 104 important question, and this is on demand of IGNO student. You can watch this, and this is important for many years because this is the format of question. So please watch it. Passage will come. The question first is passage, which will cover your 15 marks. In that, three parts is there. First part, they will ask question answer based on the passage, and then they will ask true false based on the passage. And see, you have to make sentences. Some word they will take from the passage, and from that word you have to make sentences. Every year they are not giving the same passage; they are changing. Then question 2, they will ask fill in the blank with appropriate verb forms like is, are, has, have, was, were, like it. And then they will give the preposition fill in the blanks also. You have to fill that. It will cover your 10 marks. Then they will ask letter writing, and this is also not repeating. They are giving some topic. On that basis, you have to write complaint letter or CV writing. I will give you this format for writing because the inside matter will be changing. The next memo writing also they are asking. Memo writing also every year they are changing, but the format will be changed. So I will give you the memo writing format. Then they are asking the short note on any topic, but it is related to your book material, study material, and I will give you some important topic which will cover your marks also. This question is very important because it is repeating 2 or 3 times. It repeated means big short notes on how to face an interview, how to conduct yourself during a phone interview, or the importance of small talk in business. This is very important, so please learn this question. I will give you the format of letter writing, CV writing, memo writing, and small talk. This is very important for the exam. And the big short note again, the characteristics of a business report, the importance of visual aids in presentation, the role of a chairperson in meeting. These all are very, very important. So please learn this. The next important question is fill in the blank with article. It will come 10 marks. It will cover your 10 marks. So I will give you the explanation of how to use article in the paragraph. So please see and subscribe if you are new in my channel so you can get this video also. Next important is email writing, report writing, leave application. This all is very important. If you know how to write, it's good. And if you don't know, I will give you the format of how to write. Then this ninth question is very, very important. Demonstrate the difference between a formal and informal greeting. This is coming in exam, so please learn this question. Then the next question is change tone. Some sentences they will give you, and you have to change the tone of that sentences. It is given in your study material. If you don't have, I will give you how to change the tone of the sentences in my next videos. Then the next question is jumble sentence, and they will give you some sentences. You have to write that particular sentence in order, means in the sequence. So this is also coming in exam. Then the next question is what is small talk? Name some popular topic that are safe talk in India. This is very important. It repeated 3 times, so please learn this question. This question is very, very important. What are the advantages of preparing portfolio? What sound a portfolio include? If I will suggest you, please learn this question first, then you follow the other question. The next question is fill in the blank with the correct question word for the following interview question. They will suggest you, they will give you related question and you have to write the question form. First is dash is your education qualification. So what will come? And then how long did you work with your last company? Next question, what would you say in the following situation? Greet someone you are meeting after a long time. They will give you some condition like that and what your answer will be in that matter. This type of question they are asking in exam. Then they are asking make a 6 slide for a presentation on any topic of your choice. This is also very important. It repeated 3 or 4 times to learn this question also. This question covered the second part. What is the best way to prepare for question from the audience during or after your presentation? Then the next question is very important. What are the differences between scheduled interview and walk-in interview? So learn this question also. Where you are seeing the star, it is very important. Then next question also important. Write down your response to the following interview question. Tell me about yourself. How do you think your education has prepared you for this position? And what are your three greatest strengths? So this is very important question. Usually all the companies are asking while interview. Then the next question, write down a formal and an informal greeting along with suitable response to the greeting. This question also important because wherever you are seeing the star, all the questions are very important. Please learn that question first and then the remaining question. And these questions are also important for many year, not for this year. So please learn this question. So if you are new to my channel and if you are watching this video, please subscribe the channel for getting the answers of many questions. I will upload it. And thank you for watching and please watch the playlist of IGNU classes. You will get more videos and important question playlist also. Thank you.